Good morning, everybody. I'm just going to start the day off a little different. This is my sister's place. This is the permission that I found the gun, the horseshoe, and just a bunch of other stuff. And by no means is it hunted out. I can do the backyard, but not the front, because the front is special side. But still, this is a lot of space. A lot of space. She owns in the woods there. And all this. You know, and right now, of course, I'm taking care of my other sister's dog. No, not in the flower beds. Come on, baby. Come on. Good girl. But, my sister and I made this. Come on, no, not in the flower beds. Pretty cool, huh? It's a bird bath for birds and butterflies. If you notice, oh, that's okay. I'm not going down for you. No, it's okay. We made it out of an old, like, what do they call that? Where you start a fire at night? A fire pit. That's what it is. And she's putting flowers here to attract butterflies and hummingbirds. It's a work in progress. But if you notice, when we put this in, we got a blue bowl from the dollar store, got a bunch of rocks on the property, and this way here the butterflies can sit on top and the birds can get inside. Pretty cool. Take a look at this. This is awesome. Look at these bamboo shoots. That's pretty cool how they grow. My cousin's wife comes from the Philippines, and she taught my sister how to snap them off when they get this big and cook them, boil them, and you can put them in salads and vegetables, but when they get bigger than this, they're too tough. That's when you could build furniture with them. But you know, it's funny how nature provides. It's just crazy, and it's beautiful at the same time. But like Dalton Thomas would say, stop waffling, and I'll see you at the park when I get there. Yeah, I'm at the playground with the MX-50. There's just no targets here. I figured after the rain, there'd be a lot of targets. But no, this is what I've gotten so far. Safety pin, which is good to get off the playground. Then a hand with a heart. It was a surface find. I saw it. So, I mean, I'm going to keep going and see what happens. Yeah, it's just a beautiful day, and I got a couple hours to just, play until I have to take the dog out again. And once I take her out, what's that? A sweatshirt. And once I take her out again, I can go back out and do another spot. So we'll see what happens. On to the next. Okay, I figured I'd do this one live. Just saying this nickel right here somewhere. I pinpoint it, and it's right there. See? Right there. Let's see what happens. Up. Yeah. Ugh. Slimy. 1994. That's pretty cool. Hey, at least I got one coin today. I'm excited. So on to the next. A good lesson. Always know where you're at all times. Because if you notice, that is a little above my head, and when I bend down, I don't see it, and I just automatically think I'm going to clear it, and boom, just knocked some sense into myself. So always be careful. Just keep aware of what you're doing. So I'm still not getting many signals. So on to the next. Danger. Well, that's pretty cool. It was just kick the stuff over. It rang up as a zinc penny, so I wasn't going to record it because I figured, you know, what's the zinc penny being? It's a 4/8 pin. Now that's a bucket lister if I've ever seen one. Oh yeah. So maybe hitting my head was a good thing. Got a 4-leaf clover out of it. It's either that or I'm dreaming. Well, on to the next. Okay, the MX50 is telling me that there's a quarter here. So let's pinpoint it. Okay, it should be down right there somewhere. Yeah, that was some rain. Oh yeah! And that one's not even, I mean, a little slimy, but it's wet. 1991. It's been a long time since I found a quarter. That's exciting. Cool. Remember, low and slow, and you'll find the treasure. To me, everything's treasure. Really getting dizzy. Got a really headache. I jam my neck when I hit my head. So, see how long I can deal with it. So, on to the next. Yeah, a little hint. When you're like on a playground, you want to start on the end, and every few swipes, you just make a mark. This way here, it shows you where you've been. Like I'm going to swing. That's my swing. Okay. Now, just make a mark. Swing some more. This way here, you're not going over the same spot, or you're not missing the spot. Just as important. You don't want to miss. You could be like a foot away from something really cool. Okay? So, at the end of your swing, you just make a mark. And go to the next. See, this way here, when I turn around, okay, now I can see my marks. And I only swing twice, where I used to be swinging like 3-4 times because I couldn't figure out where I ended. So, just a tip. And I'll see you on the next. Can somebody say surface fine? Man, I could even talk straight. Man, I really hit my head. Dang. That can cause a lot of damage to somebody. It's a good thing I wore my gloves. See, I am digging trash. Or finding trash. But I need to get this off. There's just no way I want some child getting cut on this. I could have at least left the pull tab top though. Oh well. On to the next. Yeah, I've been digging up a bunch of little nails. Not much. But listen to that sound. The MX50 saying there's a quarter here somewhere. Whoop. Should be right there. Right there. Let's see. Should be up right on top. Yep, there it is. That's a shooting one. 1995. Exciting. Uh-oh. Sounds like an ambulance. Pretty cool though. Okay, well, on to the next. Okay, over the whole side. MX50 is telling me there's something here. Another quarter. Okay, see that? It's supposed to be right there. Let's, oh wait, I see it. I see it. There we go. Oh, that's a shiny one. Oh my goodness. Illinois. Huh. You know what? It's the first one I've seen. That's pretty cool. But that method I was telling you about, you know, spacing it and marking it, that really works, because then you don't miss anything. So on to the next. Okay, right here. Getting a dime signal. There's an inch right there. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Another slimy coin. But it is a dime. $2016. That's cool. On to the next. I'm off the playground. I did along here. Nothing. Coming up here. And the MX50 battery's getting low, but it's saying that I've got a dime here. I mean a quarter. And it's right there. Let's see if I can find it. Excuse my pinpointer. It's pinpointer's seen better days. This might be a can. Especially if it says it's right on the surface. Let me see something here. I'm going to get back to you. Well, it was a quarter. Looks like a 1973. If it was 2 inches down, it wasn't right on the surface. But if you notice, my batteries are running low. So I have to go buy some new ones. So, pretty cool. So on to the next.